Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, if not, then welcome back. As you guys can see, today's video, you're just going to be watching me and how I do my own box braids on my hair. So we're going to get straight into it. I'm going to show you some things I'm going to be using, which is a rat tail tooth comb and a wide tooth comb. Some oils. One will be the wild growth hair oil and another will be coconut oil. I like to use black castor oil as well, but I ran out. I'm going to be using an Argan oil cream of nature perfect edges to put around the perimeter of my braids. It smells so good. And you're going to also need some rubber bands as well as some hair ties and hair clips. So I'm just going to go through my hair right now with those oils that I showed you to moisturize it a little bit more. My hair was washed about a week ago and I had cornrows in it, and I've been keeping it moisturized throughout the week. So I already put a part in the back of my head, but it is a very bad part, as you can see. Ladies, we do not have two eyes behind our head. So if you have access to two mirrors, I advise you to use one in the front and one in the back so you can see what you're doing. As you see, I went to get another mirror so that I can see what I was doing in the back of my head, because that first part was not it. I still had to go over this part a few times before I got it right, but it is what it is. Have patience and we get it together. I'm about to just go ahead and speed this part up. Alright, now there we go, after several tries. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and section this off into 3 parts. Like I said, we're gonna put the edge control around the perimeter of where you're putting your braid. Yeah, let me put that up real quick, because I don't need any extra hair going in a section that it doesn't belong in. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put that around the edges. Smooth it down. Y'all see my tattoo? That was my very first tattoo I got when I was 18. And it's a tattoo that represents my father. He was a boxer. I got boxing gloves inside the heart with his initials and wings around it. Alright, so and that's one section done. I'm about to do the exact same thing. Put another section. easy too. Right, let's handle that. I really like clean parts, and also when you make sure you got clean parts, you make sure that you're not pulling on any other hair that's not supposed to be in that section, because that can break your hair off as well. You want your hair to be laid nicely. Now I'm about to fast forward this part too. Y'all get the idea of what I'm doing. Number 3. I'm just gonna keep going through my whole head and sectioning it off into these boxes where I'm gonna put the braids at, so that I know how to section off the braid in here and how many pieces I need for each section as well. I hope y'all get what I'm saying and I'm not confusing y'all. Alright, so don't kill me. I pretty much went and did my whole head because my camera had died and I have an event to go to that I need my camera for. So I just went and put it back on the charger, and I came back to finish my last 3 braids on camera so that you guys can just see how I do it. So of course the hair that I'm using is the Canicolon hair. And I just tried to zoom in so that you guys can actually see how I'm attaching the braiding hair to my actual hair. It's kind of hard to explain. Oh, baby. Look at my edges just laying down, acting right. Y'all, I haven't did box braids in my hair in a long time. And the last time I did it, I told myself I was never going to do it again. So the fact that I did it and it actually came out nice this time, oh baby. Yes, it might be box braids all summer 2019. Look at them parts. That's my mom in the back, y'all. We was watching Claws.
Can't nobody love me better.
They not even open.
Makes me happy. Makes me feel this way. Can't nobody
Alright, I know how to
love me better. You want to say hi to my vlog, wife?
No, I look crazy.
I said say hi. I didn't say show your face.
Hey.
Wow.
I know that camera better be charged for today since you on it.
This is the finished look. I hope y'all like it. I did. I was very happy with how they came out. I was very surprised with how they came out. And nice and loose. You see how I'm flipping them around. You can do the middle part, side part on either side. You can put it up in a bun. I didn't do that until like I think the second day because I wanted to wear my braids down for this event. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment.